The oxidation is severe. We'll need to stabilize the metal before attempting any repairs.
Copy that, leader.
Prep the rust converters.
The corrosion around the eye housing is deeper than anticipated. I'm logging it now. Status report required on the chassis.
Keep the light steady there.
Okay.
That tooth is almost loose. Can you see inside?
Yeah, I'm trying to get a better angle.
The suspension is completely seized. We'll need to fabricating new kingpins.
Checking the chassis depth here. It's bad, but repairable. The rust is extensive here. We found collapsed flooring inside.
There's a bird's nest and debris in this one.
Stop here. Position the main hoist over the chassis now. Attach the chains to the frame points. Engage the hydraulics. Slow.
Keep it steady. Looks like we're on track.
The wheel alignment is good. Start tightening the chains.
The oxidation on the main is severe, indicating it's been exposed for decades. Check the cabling in the neck. It looks completely seized. Keep the pressure steady. We need to uncover the extent of the damage.
Copy that, lead.
Focus on those welds near the axle.
Gauge rust removal sequence on the Lion cab, targeting high-density corrosion zones. Ensure extraction systems are at maximum efficiency. The laser is working perfectly. The corrosion is vanishing, and the original steel is completely preserved.
Good angle. Focus on that thick buildup. Got it. Check the pressure.
The preliminary scan is complete. Focus on the structural integrity around the cab and the internal bracing of the trailer. Copy that, lead. Scanning designated areas now. Okay, team. Hooks engaged and lower away. Let's do this. Secure the forward hooks. Tension is building, boss. Lifting slowly. Clear the drop zone. The cab's completely off. Now we see the real damage. Look at that corrosion. Definitely needs a total rebuild. Brackets are locked.
Check clearances.
Slow and steady. Clear left.
Okay, lifting now. Watch the frame.
Okay, let's get this monster onto the stand.
Easy now, almost there.
Perfect. Time to get to work. The fan is completely seized.
Got it.
And this cover has a serious crack here.
Documenting it now.
Plus extensive wear on these gears. We'll need a full rebuild.
All right, let's start with the turbos.
Yeah.
Got it. This intake system is next.
Perfect. Let's lift it out now. The chassis is cracked. Those brake lines need replacing. Let's start with the suspension.
Got it. On it.
We need to inspect this area thoroughly for hairline cracks.
Copy that.
Mark that cylinder wall as worn.
Checked.
The crosshatch looks perfect. Let's proceed.
Ensure the clearance is perfect.
Torque settings are locked in.
Proceed to the next cylinder. Everything looks precise. Verify the marks.
Marks are good, boss.
Torque them down.
All torqued?
Perfect. Moving on.
Cut the cross member there. Careful of the wiring. Engaging plasma cutter. Stay clear of the sparks.
Lifting the damaged beam now.
All right, move it to the scrap pile. Prep the new section.
Line up the leaf spring. Got it. Pass me the torque wrench.
Each axle is rebuilt with new bearings, brake assemblies, seals, and reinforced hubs as mechanics carefully align.
It's perfect. Ready for the next phase. All right, start the rotation.
Confirmed. Rotation initiating.
Mark the cracked plates near the eye and the corrosion on the jaw.
All right, let's start with this lower cheek.
Got it. Watch for sparks.
Now the jaw. Careful, it's brittle.
Almost free. Prepare to catch it. The hydraulic pressure on cylinder 7 is gone. We need a complete replacement.
Copy that.
And verify the tooth tolerances on the left side before install. Perfect. The tolerances are exact. It's ready.
The old eyes are damaged, we have the new lenses here. Now we'll secure the LEDs and cooling. And now for the final installation. Activated, let there be light.
The metal work is solid. Let's move on to the insulation.
Got it. Laying it down now.
Power on. Successful startup. The side panels are warped, there are significant cracked welds here, and the corrosion on the support beams is extensive. This is a complete... Careful with that beam. I've got it, the corrosion is severe here.
All right, cut out this last section. Copy that.
Ready to start putting the new braces in? Line it up exactly there.
Engaging clamps.
Perfect. Begin welding.
Copy that.
Inspection time.
The panels are perfectly aligned. Secure the rivets, then proceed with the welds. Excellent work. The floor is flawless.
Alignment check good. Start the weld. Confirming alignment. Ready to fasten.
The welds are gone. The trailer is flawless. All right, slowly. Watch the alignment on the left. That's it. Perfect. Now secure the mounting points on the trailer. Now, the beast awaits its colors.
The primary coating is looking even, just like the specs. The coverage is flawless across the sculpted metal.
Perfect. It's ready. Stop. Down. Slowly. That's good. Lock it in. Verified. Connection secure.
The alignment is perfect. Bolts are secured. Final inspection. Complete.
Keep it steady. Down a little more.
Right there.
Push it into the mount. Perfect. Just like that.
Secure the hydraulic line here.
Confirming.
Check that turbo connection again.
Looks good, boss.
Electrical wiring is all solid. Excellent work, team.
Line them up right there.
Got it. Tighten the clamp, Bob.
Yep, final clicks. Beautiful work.
It's perfect.
Brake systems, steering linkages, air suspension, and drivetrain components are fully connected beneath the truck.
The front grille is secure.
Good. Now the main panels.
Mirrors are tight. Perfect. The restoration is complete.
Power up. Electrical systems online. Initiating visual calibration. Eyes engaged. Ready.
All right, team, final checks.
Fluid's good.
Suspension solid. Status?
The engine settles into a smooth idle. Cooling fans start spinning, drive belts rotate, and the air compressors build pressure. It's operating flawlessly.
Everything looks good down here.
Excellent. That's a wrap.
Engage the dynamometer. System online. Begin the test sequence. Engine check. Optimal performance verified.
The suspension is adjusting smoothly.
Steering is complete.
Watch the braking precision. All right, team, that's the last smudge.
Looking perfect, boss.
Years of work, and now the king is ready.
Exceptional. Initiating slow drive.
Behold the golden pride, restored, refined, and ready to roar. Excellent. It's handling the curve perfectly.
Perfect. The restoration is complete.
It's finally done.
Incredible.
Looks like it's roaring back to life.
All right, girl, let's see what you can do. Purr for me.
All right, it's ready. Go get him, big guy.
She's beautiful.
Behold the beast, a triumph of engineering.